My name is Amara, a princess with curiosity and daring spirit, hailing from the kingdom of Eldoria. I unveil the extraordinary adventure that unfolded in the midst of my royal existence. Wandering through the captivating gardens of our grand palace one fateful day, destiny whispered to me through the pages of a dusty, ancient book tucked away in the royal library. Its words beckoned me towards an undiscovered realm teeming with mythical creatures and hidden treasures, igniting the flames of adventure within my heart. With courage as my guide, I embarked on a mesmerizing journey, traversing dense forests, crossing babbling brooks, and scaling towering mountains. Along this mystical path, I encountered wise old elves who shared ancient secrets, and mischievous fairies whose playful antics added a sprinkle of magic to my quest. As I ventured deeper into the unknown, a castle draped in vines and guarded by a majestic dragon emerged before me. Determined to uncover its secrets, I approached the dragon with a heart full of courage. To my surprise, the dragon revealed itself as a guardian, not a foe, granting me passage to a celestial garden beyond imagination. In this ethereal realm, I encountered the celestial guardian, a being of wisdom and grace, who unveiled the purpose of my journey. Eldoria and this magical realm were intricately connected, and only by understanding their delicate balance could true harmony prevail. Armed with newfound wisdom, I returned to Eldoria, sharing the enchanting tales and magical energies that intertwined our kingdom with the celestial realm. The result was a flourishing kingdom, where prosperity and joy danced hand in hand, ushering in a golden age for the kingdom of Eldoria. So, come with me on this captivating journey, and let the allure of magic and discovery carry you away. As the golden rays of dawn illuminated the kingdom of Eldoria, whispers of my adventure echoed through the castle halls, captivating the hearts of all who listened. The people marveled at the tales of mystical beings and hidden realms, their imaginations ignited with the promise of magic. Inspired by the wonders I had witnessed, scholars and artisans alike sought to capture the essence of our journey in tapestries, songs, and stories. The royal bards composed melodies that echoed the ethereal tunes of the celestial garden, while artists immortalized the enchanting creatures we had encountered in vibrant hues and graceful strokes. But amidst the revelry, a shadow loomed on the horizon. Dark forces, drawn by the allure of magic, threatened to disrupt the delicate balance we had worked so hard to restore. As whispers of unrest spread throughout the kingdom, I knew that our newfound harmony hung in the balance. With determination burning bright within me, I rallied the bravest knights and wisest sages to stand beside me, ready to defend Eldoria against the encroaching darkness. Together, we embarked on a quest to safeguard our kingdom and preserve the magic that bound us together. Through battles fierce and trials daunting, we faced our adversaries with unwavering resolve. Guided by the wisdom of the Celestial Guardian and the bonds of friendship forged along our journey. With each victory, the light of hope burned ever brighter, illuminating the path towards a future where peace and prosperity reigned supreme. And so, the tale of Princess Amara and her daring quest echoed through the ages. A testament to the power of courage, friendship, and the enduring magic that dwells within us all. As long as the spirit of adventure thrives in the hearts of those who dare to dream, the kingdom of Eldoria will forever shine as a beacon of light in a world touched by enchantment. Of course, let's dive back into the tale of Princess Amara and the kingdom of Eldoria. As the kingdom embraced its newfound unity and purpose, Princess Amara embarked on a journey of self-discovery, seeking to unravel the mysteries of her own destiny amidst the shifting sands of time. Guided by the wisdom of the Celestial Guardian, she delved into the ancient archives of Eldoria, unearthing long-forgotten prophecies and hidden truths that lay dormant within the annals of history. With each revelation, Princess Amara's resolve grew stronger, her spirit emboldened by the promise of a future shaped by courage and compassion. Yet, as she ventured deeper into the labyrinth of fate, shadows of doubt and uncertainty clouded her path, threatening to obscure the light that had guided her thus far. In the midst of her journey, Princess Amara encountered allies and adversaries alike, each weaving their own thread into the tapestry of her destiny. Among them stood the enigmatic figure of the Wanderer, a traveler from distant lands whose presence stirred echoes of a forgotten past. Bound by fate, their destinies intertwined like the branches of an ancient tree, their paths converging in the crucible of destiny. Together, Princess Amara and the Wanderer embarked on a quest that would test the very limits of their courage and resolve, journeying across lands shrouded in mystery and magic. Along the way, they encountered trials and tribulations, facing challenges that would push them to the brink of despair. Yet, in the darkest hours, they found solace in the bonds of friendship and the unwavering light of hope that burned within their hearts. Through moments of triumph and moments of defeat, they remained steadfast in their pursuit of truth, their spirits unbroken by the trials that lay ahead. As the journey unfolded, Princess Amara and the Wanderer uncovered ancient artifacts and lost relics, each imbued with the power to shape the very fabric of reality itself. Guided by the wisdom of the Celestial Guardian, they sought to unlock the secrets of the past and forge a future where light and darkness existed in perfect harmony. But the forces of chaos and corruption lurked in the shadows, their malevolent gaze fixed upon the fragile balance of the world. As whispers of war and unrest echoed through the kingdoms, Princess Amara and the Wanderer stood as beacons of hope, their courage inspiring others to stand against the tide of darkness. In the final moments of reckoning, as the fate of Eldoria hung in the balance, Princess Amara and the Wanderer faced their greatest challenge yet. With the fate of the world resting in their hands, they stood united against the forces of oblivion, their spirits unyielding in the face of adversity. And so, dear friend, as the echoes of their journey fade into legend, know that the tale of Princess Amara and the Kingdom of Eldoria will forever endure, a testament to the enduring power of courage, friendship, and the indomitable spirit of the human heart.